are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home and study well for your upcoming exams. Students, in previous videos we have completed our question answer of lesson number 10 Kathmandu. Now today we will do thinking about language, means the questions which come from the grammar section are in thinking about language. Now read the following sentences carefully to understand the meaning of the italicized phrases. Then match the phrasal verbs in column A with their meaning in column B. So listen it carefully, students. A communal war broke out when the princess was abducted by the neighboring prince. Second, the cockpit broke off from the plane during the plane crash. Third, the car broke down on the way and we were left stranded in the jungle. Fourth, the dacoit broke away from the police as they took him to court. Fifth, the brothers broke up after the death of the father. Sixth, the thief broke into our house when we were away. Here, there, the word broke out, broke off, broke down, broke away, broke up and broke into all have the different meaning. So, we have to match these words with their meanings. Here students, break out. There is in column A there are the words and in column B there are the meanings of that words. So we have to match it. Like break out means of start suddenly, usually a fight, a war or a disease. So this one is number 1. Break off. Break off means end a relationship. Break down means stop working. 4. Break away from someone. Break away from someone. Here answer is to escape from someone's grip. 4. Break up. Break up, to come apart due to force. Break into, break and enter illegally, unlawful trespassing. 6. So I hope students all of you have to understood the meaning of that words. Break out, of start suddenly, break off, end a relationship, break down, stop working, break away, to escape from one's grip, break up, to come apart due to force, break into, break and enter illegally, unlawful trespassing. Now go to the next question. Use the suffix ion or tion to form nouns from the following verbs. Make the necessary changes in the spellings of the words. We have to use ion and tion as a suffix and make new word. Like one is given to you, like proclaim become proclamation. Here cremate, cremation. cremation, cremation. Invent, invention. Direct, direction. Dislocate, dislocation. Act, become action. Tempt, temptation. Meditate, meditation. Associate, association. Exhaust, exhaustion. Immigrate, immigration. Imagine, imagination. Dedicate, dedication. Now next is, now fill in the blanks with suitable words from the ones that you have formed. Mass literacy was possible only after the invention of the printing machine. Ramesh is unable to tackle the situation as he lacks imagination. I could not resist the permission to open the letter. Hard work and dedication are the main keys to success. And the children were almost fainting with exhaustion after being made to stand in the sun. These blanks are filled with the words you have to make earlier. So students, you have to complete this exercise and write in your notebook.